It's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, active lane departure, doors and push-button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.